not responding. Hey, what's up? This is your girl ShayLoves89, and we are here with a dark and twisted animation called True Camping Horror Story Animated. Turn this down. Come on. I'm gonna have to restart my computer. That's what's gonna come down to, because the internet's really irking my nerves.
A dark and twisted story. The rumors had been spinning for quite some time about the camping grounds of Minnesota and how an alleged axe murderer named Axie brutally murdered 3 brothers who were camping.
Really? Axie? An axe murderer named Axie. Okay. Okay, dark and twisted. Alright. That's why we naming people now, Axie. There better be a nickname and not an actual name.
But unfortunately, Brody, Marcus, and Judas ignored the warning. Judas prepared the fire while Brody and Marcus set up the tents. It would be your typical night of camping, such as beer drinking, roasting marshmallows, and telling scary stories to set the mood. Do any of you believe in the story of Axie? Asked Judas. Are you serious? Said Brody, chuckling and shaking his head in doubt.
I wouldn't be surprised if Judas is Axie.
It's just a stupid old wives' tale made up by a bunch of idiots. I agree with Brody, said Marcus. There's no such thing called Axie, and there were no chopped up body parts found in these woods. Well, you know.
Sir, do you realize you're the only black person out of 2 white people? Think of this as a horror movie scenario. You will die first. Just saying. Don't believe in Axie. Go ahead if you want to. I'm kind of glad I paused the video because my internet's acting stupid. Hold on, y'all. But seriously though. Or he's Axie. Who knows?
What they claim, that cabin up there on the hill is where Axie lived. He killed
Watch their ideas to go up to the cabin,
chopping them up into pieces and burying their body parts. Bullshit, said Brody, chuckling as Marcus chuckled with him. Then, all of a sudden, a man appeared, just standing.
Oh, hell no. No. It's time to go. It's time to go. Pack your shit up and let's go. Let's go. He just appears out of nowhere. Let go. Let's go. Let's go. Because I would have been like, okay, where he come from? No. See, time to go. I got the car keys anyway. If you ain't with me in the car, get going. You're getting killed here. I didn't see shit.
There, his eyes fixed sternly upon them. Holy bleeding blickety boo. Who the
Holy bleeding blickety boo. Yo, where is he coming up with these sayings?
fizzity fuck are you? said Marcus as their heartbeats quickened. But the man ignored his question and instead asked them a question. What in the hell are you three doing up here? He asked, narrowing his eyes at them. We could ask you the same question, said Brody. Haven't you boys ever heard of the story of Axie?
What's in your hand?
The man, as their eyes shifted downward at the bloody axe that he was holding.
Go.
Oh, shiggity shit, said Marcus.
I love how the black person is wearing the hoodie, saying not gonna be the first black man to die in a horror movie. Well, you hope you're not the first black man to die in a horror story. Let's go.
As they quickly ran for their lives, hopped into their car, and never returned.
You should have left in the first place when the man was telling the story. Obviously, it was true, because the man sitting there holding with an axe, I would have been gone. Them two white people would have been stayed there, because as soon as I would have saw him pop up, I'm out. He could have snuck up and killed y'all. Now I know Dark and Twisted is working on, whoa, why are you repeating? I know Dark and Twisted is working on episode 7, season 2 of My Girlfriend Wants to Kill Me. I don't know when he's posting it, but I know it's going to be out soon. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe to me, you know, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to Dark and Twisted. I will put their channel down below. I would also put the link to this video down below. I will see you guys later. Bye.